Hello friends, if you like my channel, please like, subscribe and share. Legal matter. Get ready, start. In India, under the provisions of the Motor Vehicles Act, 1988, bracket open, hereinafter referred to as the Act for short, bracket close, it is a statutory requirement that each and every motor vehicle, irrespective of the purpose of its usage, shall obtain a valid third-party insurance stop. Third-party insurance is a mandate under the Indian law, and sometimes courts have also termed it as act only oblique statutory cover stop. It is referred to as third-party insurance because of the fact that the ultimate beneficiary of the insurance policy is not the insured but the third party who is not the party to the contract. Stop. Thus, it is someone other than the parties to the contract. Stop. Para. Section 166 of the Act enables four categories of people, in short, the claimants, to file an application before the concerned tribunal for claiming compensation arising out of any vehicle accident that may have occurred, namely, first, the person who has sustained injuries, in other words, injured persons, semicolon. Second, the owner of the property whose property has been damaged, semicolon. Third, in case of death of a person, all or any of the legal representatives of the deceased, semicolon. Or fourth, any agent duly authorized by the person injured, or all or any of the legal representatives of the deceased, as the case may be. Stop. The above referred claimants would file the said application against the driver, owner, bracket open, if both are different persons, bracket close, and the respective insurance company of the offending vehicle claiming a certain amount of compensation from the said persons arrayed as opponents. Stop. The tribunals, after conducting the injury and leading of evidences by both the sides, adjudicates upon the entitlement to compensation, the negligence of the driver oblique owner of the offending vehicle, quantum of compensation, if any, which is to be awarded to the claimants, and also adjudicates as to who is liable to pay the compensation awarded, that is to say whether driver oblique owner solely is oblique are liable and the insurance company is exonerated from its liability, or whether the insurance company is liable to indemnify the owner. Stop. Para. Section 173 of the Act provides a statutory right to appeal to any person who is aggrieved by the award of the tribunal. Stop. Section 173 within bracket 1 uses the terminology inverted comma any person aggrieved by an award, inverted close, may prefer an appeal before the High Court. Stop. Para. Thus, any person who is aggrieved or whose rights are adversely affected by the award passed by the tribunal, be it a claimant or the driver oblique owner of the offending vehicle or the insurance company, is entitled to file an appeal before the High Court under the provisions of Section 173 of the Act. Stop. Para. Now, take a illustration that the claimants, being the legal heirs of the person who died in a car accident, have filed a petition claiming rupees 10 lakh as the amount of compensation. Stop. The tribunal, upon hearing both the sides, determines rupees 3 lakh as the quantum of compensation which is also made payable by the insurer to the claimant's stop. In this case, the claimants clearly falls within the purview of the term person aggrieved so as to be entitled to file an appeal under section 173 of the act, since the claimants are aggrieved by the order of the tribunal of awarding the compensation on a much lower side than what was claimed for stop.